So how do you see your activity on the Apple Watch? Let's get started and let's talk about it. So if this is your first time on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing as I have plenty of tutorials coming up for you and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, your activity on the Apple Watch can be browsed in two applications. So at first, you have the fitness app, which is marked by these three rings. So you have the red, green, and blue ring, and you can get inside of that application, see that the red ring is calories burned, green one is exercise minutes, and the blue one is stand hours. And you can browse all of the data like inside of that app. You can also see your daily steps, right? The calories burned and all of that, right? So you can see it right there. If you have done any workouts, they are also going to be part of this section below as you keep scrolling down. So that is one way of looking at it. But the other application which I mentioned for the activity is actually the fitness or workout application, where you can see that it has the workout icon. You can open it up like this, and in there you get to browse your workout specifically, right? So you can, for example, start a running exercise like that, and your activity will be tracked specifically. So in there, you'll see all of the data about your current workout. And even once you finish, you'll be able to browse it in there. So you'll be able to see all of the details, the summary, and all of the, data which is necessary to be tracked, right? So this is another, or the second application, which is ideally used for this type of purpose. So yeah, that would be about it for me. I have plenty of different tutorials and videos about this, so most definitely let me know about what you would like to see next, or if you have some other problems with your watch. It's likely I'm going to cover it in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.